Our company, Live Biotech, welcome you all. We are working on the development of lignin-based bioabsorbent capsules, an eco-friendly solution to increase water-holding capacity of soil and as agrochemical carrier for arid, semi-arid agriculture zones. The problem we are focusing is associated with the agriculture area. About 42% of India's land is affected by drought. It is difficult to cultivate in such lands. Agriculture is both a cause and a victim of water scarcity. There is increased demand of crop production, hence more consumption of water. Also, we are aware about decreased rainfall percentage, overuse of pesticide, and water loss due to surface draining. The farmers are unable to bear the pumping cost due to dropping groundwater levels. Synthetic gel presents are of high cost, they accumulate for more than 5 years and are toxic in nature. Other factors we focused upon are the stubble burning and byproduct release by industries in the environment. By taking into consideration all the spoken problem statements, we are providing solutions that have dual role. That is, utilization of a lignin waste from agriculture field as well as from paper and pulp industries for the development of green technological bioabsorbent capsules. These capsules act as a super soaker and absorb 1000 to 1200% of water and can freely release 95% of water under suction pressure by plant roots. When mixed with soil, increases soil permeability and improve the germination rate. It also acts as effective agrochemical carrier. More than 60 to 70% of Indian population is dependent on agriculture and its allied activity for the livelihood. The contribution of agriculture to India's total GDP is between 14% to 15%. The target groups we focused on are paper and pulp industries, small-scale agri-based industries, farmers, and outreach program to disseminate product information and solution to the customers. The team members working on the idea. Thank you for your patience listening.